In today's video, I'm going to teach you previewing a specific theme. We'll walk through how to preview a theme from your Shopify admin and how to share a temporary preview link with others so you can get feedback before publishing anything live. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and head to Online Store, then Themes. This page lists your current theme and any saved themes you're working on. If you have several themes, take a moment to identify the exact one you want to preview. When you've found it, look for the Actions button next to that theme. Click Actions, then select Preview from the dropdown. A new browser tab or window will open showing what your store would look like with that theme applied, without affecting what shoppers see on your live site. This is a safe way to test layouts, navigation, or styling before making changes public. There's also a quick way to generate a temporary preview link directly from the Themes page. For the same theme, click the Actions button and use the share icon if it's available. This gives you a link you can send to teammates or stakeholders so they can view the theme preview on their own devices. If you're already inside the preview, you can grab a shareable link from there as well. In the preview window, look for the Actions button at the bottom of the screen. Click it, then choose Share Preview. Shopify will generate a unique URL. Tap Copy Link to place it on your device's clipboard. From here, you can paste the link into a message, email, or project tracker, whatever works best for your workflow. A few important notes to keep in mind about these preview links. They are temporary. Each link is valid for 2 days from when it's created. If someone tries to open it after it expires, they'll need a fresh link. Also, preview links are view-only. Visitors can browse the storefront experience, but they cannot make purchases from the preview. That's intentional, so you can safely share work in progress without affecting orders or analytics. When you're done, simply close the Preview tab. Nothing goes live until you decide to publish a theme from the Themes page. If your collaborators provide feedback, you can return to the same theme, make adjustments, and generate a new preview link as needed. That's it. You now know how to open a theme preview from your Shopify admin and how to share a temporary link with others for review. This process keeps your current storefront intact while you explore and refine your next look with confidence.